Hello, beautiful friends. I'm Mira. Today I will gently teach you how to make soft, fluffy milk bread from the very beginning. Stay with me, and let's learn every step together. We measure carefully: 3 cups flour, 1 cup warm milk, 2 tablespoons sugar and butter, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon yeast, and ½ teaspoon salt. Correct measurement makes bread soft and perfect. Mix warm milk, sugar, and yeast, then let it rest for 5 to 10 minutes. When bubbles appear, the yeast is alive and ready to raise our bread. Now we combine everything slowly so the flour absorbs the liquid evenly and forms a soft, slightly sticky dough. Knead gently for 8 to 10 minutes. This develops gluten, giving the bread its soft, stretchy, fluffy texture. Cover and let the dough rise in a warm place for about 1 hour until it doubles in size. This resting time makes the bread light and airy. Press softly to remove excess air. This keeps the final bread even and tender inside. Cut into medium palm-sized pieces. Even size helps every piece bake soft and uniform. See? Each portion is the perfect size for pull-apart bread. This way, they'll all bake up soft and delicious. Place the dough close together so they rise and join into soft, pull-apart milk bread. Let the shaped dough rise again for 30 to 40 minutes. This second rise creates extra softness and height. A light egg wash gives the bread a beautiful golden shine after baking. And now, our bread is ready for the oven. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes until the top turns golden and the kitchen smells warm and sweet. And they're done! Look at that perfect golden crust. Look inside, soft, airy, and perfectly fluffy. This is the beauty of patient baking. So soft, so warm, and made with care. Follow me, and let's keep learning beautiful recipes together.